Are you tired of your engine feeling sluggish and underpowered? Here are the 5 best cold air intakes I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Moosun Cold Air Intake. The Moosun 4-inch cold air intake caught my eye right away with its sleek black tube and heat shield, priced at just $57.69. If you want to give your GMC or Chevy a performance boost without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What makes this intake stand out is the included steel heat shield, which helps keep the air cooler as it enters your engine. Cooler air is denser and packed with oxygen, meaning better combustion and more power. With over 500 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are noticing the difference. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're driving a 1999 to 2006 GMC or Chevy V8, this kit is designed to fit perfectly. You won't have to worry about complicated installations, and the carbon black powder coating means it not only performs well, but looks great under your hood. Now, some people complained about the instructions being a bit vague. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with basic DIY car work, you'll likely figure it out without too much trouble. If you're a total novice, it might take a little extra time. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable way to enhance your engine's performance without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need a high-end, premium option. It won't have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models. Now, if the Moosun's lower price point made you hesitate, this next one takes a more premium approach with additional features. Product number 2, Rough Country Cold Air Intake. The Rough Country Cold Air Intake retailing at $129.95. The first thing that grabs your attention is its promise to increase horsepower and throttle response, which could be just what you need for a more exhilarating drive. This intake system is designed specifically for the 2009-2013 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500, ensuring a perfect fit. It circulates cooler, denser air into the engine, which is key for increasing power as it brings more oxygen into the combustion chamber. Plus, the premium reusable air filter means you won't be buying new filters every few months, saving you money in the long run. The installation is also user-friendly, making it an appealing option for those who want to tackle it at home. Rough Country backs this product with a limited lifetime replacement warranty, giving you peace of mind. However, some users mentioned that the initial installation took longer than expected. Here's the thing. While it may require a bit of patience, the end result is a solid performance boost that's worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you own a 2009-2013 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra and want a solid performance upgrade without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a system that maximizes every last bit of power. It's more of a performance boost than a complete overhaul. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize performance and quality. Product number 3, K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake. Let's talk about the K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake, priced at $381.04. Right off the bat, the dyno-proven claims for increased horsepower and torque caught my attention, and if you're serious about performance, this is definitely worth a look. The design features a high-flow cotton filter that enhances airflow while lowering inlet air temperatures, which is crucial for maximizing your engine's potential. The enlarged airbox protects against contaminants, ensuring your engine breathes clean air. With strategic air channels in the intake tube, you're looking at a serious boost in airspeed and performance. K&N has a reputation for quality, with their filters known for exceptional dirt holding capacity and long cleaning intervals, every 100K miles under normal highway conditions. That means less hassle for you in the long run. However, the price tag might make some people think twice. Here's the thing though, if you're planning to keep your vehicle for a while and want top-notch performance, the investment can pay off in both power and engine longevity. This is perfect for you if you drive a Cadillac, Chevrolet, or GMC model from 2019 to 2025 and want to significantly enhance your engine's horsepower. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and looking for a basic upgrade. This one is for serious enthusiasts. Now, if the price of the K&N Next Gen surprised you, the next product might offer a bit more value while still delivering excellent performance. Product number 4, K&N Cold Air Intake System. We have another K&N option, the K&N Cold Air Intake System, available for $313.39. The promise of increased horsepower and torque is appealing, but what really caught my eye is the dyno testing reports that come included with each intake system. This kit provides a less restrictive airflow path, ensuring that your engine gets all the cool, oxygen-rich air it needs. It's designed to improve your engine's sound as well, allowing for that satisfying growl when you accelerate, making driving a lot more fun. For those who tow, this system also enhances throttle response and uphill performance, which is a big plus. It's easy to install, taking about an hour with basic tools, and K&N even backs it with a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty. That's a solid commitment to quality. One downside is that it may be overkill for someone just looking for a slight boost in power. Here's the thing. If you're someone who regularly tows or drives in challenging conditions, this is a worthwhile investment. However, if you're just looking for a minor upgrade, you might find it a bit excessive. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable upgrade for your Chevy or GMC from 2014 to 2020 that can handle towing and daily driving. Skip it if you're not planning on pushing your vehicle's performance. Alright, we've covered some serious contenders. Let's wrap up with another K&N intake that continues the trend of performance enhancement. Product number 5, the K&N Cold Air Intake System for models from 2019 to 2025, priced at $317.99. Like all K&N products, this one promises a guaranteed increase in horsepower and torque, making it a solid choice for performance enthusiasts. The design is quite similar to the previous K&N model, offering a less restrictive path for airflow and a high-flow reusable air filter. This model is also engineered for easy installation with all the necessary parts included, so you can get it on your vehicle without any fuss. What truly sets this model apart is its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, including the Silverado 1500 and Tahoe. This versatility means more drivers can experience the performance boost it offers. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy during acceleration. Here's the thing. For many, that added sound is a welcome reminder of the power beneath the hood. But if you prefer a quieter ride, it might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you own a newer Chevy or GMC model and want a reliable way to enhance performance and sound. Skip this if you're looking for something quieter or have a different model. In conclusion, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake because it combines performance, protection, and a trusted brand reputation in one package. Avoid the Moo sign if you're looking for a high-end performance boost. It serves its purpose but lacks some features you'd want for serious enthusiasts. I put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with. To recap, we've looked at the Moosin Cold Air Intake, Rough Country Cold Air Intake, K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake, K&N Cold Air Intake for 2014 to 2020 models, and the K&N Cold Air Intake for 2019 to 2025. Each offers unique benefits, but if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake because of its proven performance and solid warranty. Avoid the Moosin if you're serious about getting the most out of your engine.